Hello there, this is Smith Welding and Restoration. I am your host, Adam Niffen. Stick around, see what's in the garage this week. Hey Jeremy.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Playing on my phone.
Right on. What do you got going on there on that door? You got to pull that panel off, I understand, right?
Yep. All the little pieces and parts. Window knob, door handles.
About how long does it take you to dismantle one of those doors?
Well, the first one, never doing it before, took me about 45 minutes.
That's glass out, lock out, we're ready to roll. We're ready to throw this on a table and start welding on it.
Yep. This one I'm hoping half hour.
Okay. See that little tool right there, folks? We hate it, but we love it. There's a groove on the backside you got to get at just right.
I just can't see it. I know it's in the back.
So there's a little E-clip in there, and that displaces the E-clip and lets you pull that off. So that's where Jeremy's at right now. We'll kind of pop in occasionally, see where he's at, how he's doing. We got this one stripped apart already. The interior handle lock neck doesn't work, and the door handle doesn't work. So we went in and pulled the knob. So these doors won't shut solid anymore. We got in a little more than we were anticipating here though. We got some rot up here that we weren't expecting, which makes me sad. We got a lot of serious section repairs to do on these doors. If they weren't so damn hard to find and expensive to find, I'd be all for replacing them, but they're not really out there anymore. It's a 71 Monte. It's tough to find the parts. I've looked, shot some options, and they got shot down because they weren't good options. We are moving forward. Yes, I know we're cheating. We got a plasma cutter. Get over it, folks. If you do this every day, you probably got one laying around. Danny is basically trying to get a chunk of this off of here. With the plasma cutter, make short work of a lot of this. We got the doors off. We're going to cover up the interior and all that real soon. We got the engine covered up. You see, we got the other door off. So we're getting, okay, so we've got a really serious and real and honest to goodness deadline, since how we miss deadlines. It's a fact of any restorer's life. But we got a real one that I promised on my own grave that we'd nail down. Oh. All things being fair and equal, what I did there, when we cut that panel off, I actually cut through the outer wheelhouse and the inner wheelhouse. I know that lip is junk. I'm going to end up fabricating that lip out of just raw materials. I picked up a sheet of appropriate gauge metal yesterday, as a matter of fact, for this project and just this project. We're trying to get a good look inside, see what our wheelhouses and shit look like. I will fabricate a chunk of it and patch it in, and when we're done, you won't even know. But you know, basically we got a month to roll on this project, and we got a lot of work to do. So my nephew, Danny, there we go. My nephew Danny's gonna be helping us out a bit. We're back on a roll. It's time to get this Monte where it needs to go. So at this point we get to see what all's rotten, bad, and monkey. All mucked up. I will decide where to make the final cuts when I get the new rockers, or the new quarters here. I'm very disappointed. Our glass guy did not make it last Friday, so now it's been almost a week that he is late. He told me today, maybe tomorrow, Thursday, maybe Friday. When I spoke to him yesterday, finally got caught up with him. We gotta take care of that, okay? You can see what we're dealing with in there. And I can fabricate every ounce of this. That will be a little sketchy to make, but we don't have to have that perfect. It's really, you know, it's surface rust up till you get to the floor of the trunk that you're looking at, and that's just fried. So in all, that's where we're at. And just so you know, that plasma cutter, that's a Harbor Freight Special. That's all it is. And it's pretty badass for what we need. So I'm gonna set Danny loose, follow on that line to about 2 inches from the back and bring it all the way down. I want to get the rest of that out of there, all the way down to the rocker panel that's rotted out. Our next step after we get these flayed back enough we can see what's going on is we're going to get the gas tank out from underneath this trunk pan so we can start cutting the trunk pan out. That's our mission. By this time next week, we should have all the rusted metal out and a lot of the new metal in. That's what we're working on. I guess we're getting new wheel covers. Be careful plasma cutting. That is all.